So as you can see in the thumbnail, my boy needs some help with this lineup. This is actually a pretty old video, but I wanted to bring it out for y'all. So right here we have the 1.5 going in every direction. Just because his hair grows crazy, it goes to the left side, right side. So we don't make sure the hair is all at one length basically. So right here we have some spritz, level 3. Make sure you get the hair in place. And typically you want to, dry it with your hair dryer with cool air, but I couldn't find mine, so I just did it quick with my hands. So to start off the hairline, you want to start in the middle. Typically every time you want to start in the middle, just so you can have that starting point, and then go to either the left side or right side. It's kind of preference, but with me I like to go to the highest side. Say one side is higher than the other, I go to the highest side first and keep that as natural as possible, and then match that side with the other side. So right here going in the middle, and then going to the left side, his right. Just making sure we stay consistent throughout the whole haircut or hairline. Turn our trimmers over, hit that vertical bar. Also the hairline is not like, don't rush to the hairline. The hairline is like the most important thing about a haircut, because that's what a client sees straight up. Okay, so you don't want to rush that at all. You want to take your time and just make sure it's straight, straight and crispy. So that's what clients, in my opinion, care about more. They care about more about their hairline than the actual fade. You want to have both good, but if you're gonna pick one, do the hairline, please. All right, so just make sure it's crispy, man. You don't want to rush it. Always step back and make sure it's straight. That's like a key right there. Always step back and make sure it's coming out straight. All right, so right here we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. We're gonna go back to our middle starting point so it can guide us all the way to the other side. Like I said right there, every time you don't see me in the frame, I'm stepping back. All right, I'm stepping back and making sure it's straight. Step back as many times as you need. You gotta get this hairline straight. Make sure you're not too heavy-handed. Like, you want to go over your hairline, but you don't want to go over it too many times to where you irritate the skin, especially if your trimmers are zero gapped. That can really irritate the skin. So just make sure you're consistent, and every pass has a meaning to it. You feel me? So right here we're gonna hit the vertical bar. So right here we're gonna turn our client to the mirror, tilt his head down, and make sure it's straight. The mirror doesn't tell no lies. All right, so let's go over it one more time. This is an all natural haircut. I do not use enhancements. So you can see how we started with and then what we have now. That's the end of the video, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, share. I'm out. BryanBlendz. See you on the next one.